All right, here we are, Gary, at 5109, front of the house. Story I'm told is that the previous buyer walked because of that tree. So I'll do a quick scan along the outside, refresh your memory. Looks like the front could use some cleanup and a little bit of paint. The culprit. So, tile floor for quite a bit of it. Here's the living room. It's raining today, but that doesn't feel wet currently. Doesn't mean it won't be. It's not raining that hard. So this is probably the eat-in area. Again, another stain up there. Drop ceiling. Some more tile. Washer dryer hookups. Water heater. Fuse panel. So it need to be cleaned up, maybe paint the floor. Fix some of the holes in the ceiling maybe. Get rid of all this tile. Paint back there. Got some water up here. Some stains anyways, and a window, which this was the lanai here. Fence is all beat up back there, but cage and screen probably going to need some love. The pool and the deck. Certainly the deck could be resurfaced pretty easily and cleaned. But I'm going to hazard a guess that it looks like that pool needs to be resurfaced. It's hard to see in here, there's no light, but this would be a good spot for an office or something. Carpet's garbage. Looks like maybe there's some mildew down there, but nice big closet. Here's the air handler. It's probably original. Gonna need a new one of those. Bathtub, shower is gonna need to be redone. There's a hole right there. So fix the walls. A little bit of damage to the walls here. But overall, carpet paint, clean it up, new doors. Here's the master. That same tile. Doesn't sound like the tile's on here correctly. It's gonna need a roof and the pool repair and some other stuff, but it looks like a good